A Day at Chicago's Green City Market. Part 1. Light peeks through the trees, and birds sing their morning songs. It's early Saturday morning, and Chicago's colorful farmers market will be open soon. Each seller arrives at 5 a.m. to set up at Lincoln Park, a large green area in the city of Chicago. Many sellers put up tents to work in the shade. When the hot sun is all the way up in the sky, they will be cool as cucumbers under their tents. The sellers unload their trucks and lay out their goods, fruits and vegetables of all sizes and colors. The last step is to put the price of the item on the chalkboard so that buyers know how much each thing costs. Now, the stands are ready for the customers. Soon, blue and white tents are scattered all over Green City Market. Over 70 sellers come every Wednesday and Saturday. They bring all kinds of food, such as breads, fruits, cheeses, and meats. But that's not all. There are also beeswax candles, ice cream, tamales, and fresh pastas. In one area, a chef fries up dumplings, while another grills meats. Everyone is ready to eat good food and have a fun time. Part 2. At 7 a.m., customers start to arrive, and the market fills up fast. People come to shop, talk, and relax. Families and friends come from all over Chicago to spend the day at the market. Some ride bicycles or walk. Others drive or take buses or trains. The summer air is warm with the smell of freshly baked breads and pastries as people walk slowly around the market area. A cook picks up some ripe tomatoes, which will be perfect for some fresh salsa. Children sniff fresh flowers. Sellers give out food samples, and buyers try all the different treats. They take little sips of apple cider and taste tiny spoonfuls of raspberry jam. With so many good things to taste, it's hard to know what to buy. It's berry season, and everyone wants a box of the sweet fruits. People move at a rapid pace and quickly surround the strawberry stand. The seller sees more people coming and walks away. Before people start to complain, she is back with more to sell. Now all are happy as they pick up the fresh berries. Part 3. The market stands are not all that there is. At Green City Market, there's much for children to do, too. Children can make vegetable prints with lettuce and potatoes. They dip the veggies in paint and then press the designs on paper. Families sit on blankets in the grass while children play tag. They have picnics of sandwiches, corn on the cob, and cold lemonade. After lunch, some children go to the garden. They help to plant squash, tomatoes, carrots, onions, and more. Using their hands, they help to yank out all the weeds growing around the vegetables. When it's time to go home, everyone works together to gather the garden tools and tidy up the area. It's hard work to keep a garden, but it's so much fun to watch it grow. By 1 o'clock, most of the food has been sold, and the tents are down. The market is closed until next Wednesday or Saturday morning, when it will come alive once more.